How do pattern recognition receptors protect your body? Imagine your body's immune system as a vigilant security team that constantly watches for intruders. One of the key tools they use are pattern recognition receptors. These special proteins are like highly trained security guards that can spot troublemakers early on. They are part of the innate immune system, which is your body's first line of defense against infections. These receptors are found on immune cells like macrophages, dendritic cells, and even on some epithelial cells that line your skin and organs. Their main job is to recognize specific molecules that are common on pathogens, which are germs like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. These molecules are called pathogen-associated molecular patterns, or PAMPs for short. Examples include bacterial lipopolysaccharides, viral RNA, and fungal cell wall components called glucans. When pattern recognition receptors bind to these PAMPs, they send signals inside the immune cells. These signals activate a cascade that results in the production of cytokines and chemokines. These are signaling molecules that call other immune cells to the site of infection and help them get ready to fight. But pattern recognition receptors do more than just find germs. They can also detect damage signals from our own cells that are injured or dying. These are called damage-associated molecular patterns, or DAMPs. Recognizing DAMPs helps the immune system respond to tissue damage and start repair processes. There are different types of pattern recognition receptors, each with its own role. Toll-like receptors are found on the cell surface or inside endosomes and recognize PAMPs on the outside or inside of cells. Cytoplasmic receptors like nucleotide-binding domain, leucine-rich repeat-containing receptors, and retinoic acid-inducible Guinea-like receptors detect pathogens hiding inside cells. When these receptors are activated, they not only help to eliminate the germs but also kickstart the adaptive immune response. This is the part of the immune system that remembers germs for future protection. Without pattern recognition receptors, our bodies would be much more vulnerable to infections, and our tissues might not repair properly after injury. Understanding how these receptors work helps scientists develop better treatments for infections and inflammatory diseases. So, in simple terms, pattern recognition receptors are like the body's early warning system, alerting and mobilizing the immune defenses to keep us safe from harm.